Hello, Internet people. If this picture doesn't make you want to install Linux, you are a monster. So let's go to let's download Rufus. Do a search for Rufus. And I prefer to download the portable version. Get over to distrowatch.com and you're going to have a website here that documents every distribution of Linux that cares to be documented. And currently, Manjaro's topping their list of the most popular distributions. What Manjaro does is it runs on newer machines, about Pentium 2 or 3 or later, obviously. And they have rolling updates, so you don't have to manually do your updates. They're just automatic. That's going to be more secure that way, and I like their aesthetics very much, but I prefer using Peppermint. This runs on, it runs with less resources, so I just prefer that for that very reason. I don't like the aesthetics as much, but this one is my pick, and I've already downloaded both the 64 and 32-bit images. And if you're intending to work on an older machine, this I guess Kano, I don't know how to pronounce that. Anyway, this distribution is based on Slackware. It's gonna be able to. It alleges that can run on a 486, and if you need to be going to a 386 or even older than that, you're gonna have to go straight to Slackware, and you're probably gonna want to use an older version of Slackware. And just be advised that the installation process for Slackware is very manual. And again, this is my favorite burning software for if you're intending to make a disk. imageburn.com. And if you're not aware, there's various companies that make Linux intended machines. If you want a Linux gaming machine or something more high end, you would want to go to System 76. And if you want something, if you're willing to sacrifice performance for privacy, this is the only private enabled laptop under the sun as far as I know. And in terms of a cell phone, they're actually kickstarting one. So I'm definitely going to snag one when that happens. Anyways. So here's our Rufus. And you'll want to make sure that you're going to wipe the correct drive. I'm going to select our image. I'm going to name it Peppermint 64. And so while that's going, and if I wanted to, I could burn it with my image burn software, but I much prefer installing off of a flash drive, considering it's so much faster. But that concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching.